Hello students, let's solve this question. The first question says 5 times 9 and we're going to be using this anchor chart that we have on the right side about multiplication or division with integers. Remember, the rules are different for addition and subtraction and the rules are different for multiplication and division. Great, so we're going to be using this one. The first operation we have is a multiplication, and I'm going to look at the sign. This integer is positive and is multiplying the 9, and the 9 is also positive. So I'm going to come to my anchor chart and I'm going to remember when I have a positive times a positive, the answer is going to be positive. Can you please help me and tell me what is 5 times 9? 45. Great. So the answer is positive 45. Awesome. Let's look at example number 2. For example number 2, we have positive times a negative. Great. So let's look at the chart for multiplication and division with integers. This is the title. And let's see which example has a positive and a negative. Right here. And our answer is negative. When you multiply a positive by a negative, the answer is negative. Very good. And then we multiply like we always multiply whole numbers. What is 7 times 9? 63. Great. Now let's look at example number 3. And we use this anchor chart on the right side. A good idea is that if you don't remember the rules of multiplication and division, you can put a pause on this video and copy the chart and have that chart handy when you will be multiplying integers. Okay, so let's continue. The question 3 has a negative times a negative. So that will look like this row right here. This is a negative times a negative. And when we multiply a negative by a negative, the answer is going to be positive. And then we multiply like we always do. 8 times 5, 40. So the answer should be positive 40. And we don't have to write the positive in front. If we don't have any sign, it implies that it's positive. Then question number 4. And on this one, we have a negative times a positive. And looks like this example will be right here. A negative times a positive. And when that happens, our answer is going to be negative. So I can put the sign already. And then we can multiply like we always do. What is 5 times 12? Is 60. Great, guys. So please remember, keep your anchor chart handy when you're multiplying positives and negatives. Thank you.